Answer and questions. 1. What is an extraterrestrial? An extraterrestrial, also known as an alien, is a hypothetical being that originates from outside of Earth. It implies a life form that has evolved on a different planet or celestial body. 2. Have we found evidence of extraterrestrial life? No, we have not yet found definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life, while there have been many intriguing discoveries, such as organic molecules of other planets and moons, and the detection of exoplanets. None have been confirmed as a hosting life. 3. What is Fermi paradox? Fermi paradox is a question that asks if there is a high probability of existence of extraterrestrial civilization, then why have we not observed any evidence of them? This paradox highlights the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact. What is the Drake equation? The Drake equation is a probabilistic argument used to estimate the number of active communicate extraterrestrial civilization in the Milky Way galaxy. It considers factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, and the probability of life developing on a suitable planet. What is the search for extraterrestrial intelligence? SETI is the scientists' search for intelligent life beyond Earth. It involves using radio telescopes and other instruments to listen for signals that might be artificially created by extraterrestrial civilizations. 6. What are some of the challenges in searching for extraterrestrial life? The challenges include vastness of space, the possibility of different forms of life that we may recognize, and the technological limitation of our current instruments. What are exoplanets and how do we relate to search for extraterrestrial life? Exoplanets are planets or orbit stars other than our Sun. The discovery of exoplanets has significantly increased the number of potential places where life could exist. 8. What is habitable zone? The habitable zone, or Goldilocks zone, is the region around the star where a planet could support liquid water in its surface. This is considered a key requirement for life as we know it. 9. What are some of the potential consequences of discovering extraterrestrial life? The discovering of extraterrestrial life could be profound implications for our understanding of the universe, our place in it, and our own origins. It could also lead to significant technological advances. What are some of the ethical considerations surrounding the search for extraterrestrial life? The ethical considerations include the potential for exploitation, the possibility of transmitting harmful pathogens, and the need for international cooperation in any contact scenario. My opinion, the possibility that we are alone in an early infinite universe is more improbable than the existence of countless civilizations in the vast cosmos. The fact that there is no supposed evidence of these beings could only mean two things. Either this evidence is being hidden from us for some hidden reason, or these civilizations do not want to make themselves known for their own reason as well. I believe there is some truth to both. There is plenty of evidence that is not recognized, such evidence of astonished architectural works that we cannot replicate even with all our advanced technology. for example. The ruins of Sacsayhuaman, Machu Picchu, the pyramids of Egypt, and other wonders of the world are giving implausible explanation for account for this technological advancement of the past, but the possibility of intervention by more technological advanced civilization that helped to build this amazing edifice is not considered. There are thousands of people we have no encounters of third kind, uh, sightings of unidentified flying objects by thousands of people, and abduction that hundreds of people claim to have experienced. There is much more information. It's clearly not considered as evidence because it's not scientific. Reading book. Values. Your values are the behaviors you will create as a family to build a culture in the house to allow you to live your mission and achieve your vision. There are actions that let us love each other better and be more of who we are. Some examples of these are: we love and support each other, we are creators, we are healthy and active, we are a team, we are adventurers, and we do the right things always. Here are some questions to help you find your values. What is most important to us as a family? How do we see ourselves? What behaviors do we want to encourage? How do we want to treat each other? How do we create space for each member of our family? How do we allow each member of our family to be who they are? Based on these three topics, here is what we came up with. The Donnell family vision: we believe in God, that God loves us, and we are free. Mission: we are committed to always supporting each other and creating value for others' family. Values: Donnells make things better. Donnells find the good. Donnells find a way. Donnells do not right thing. Donnells do the right thing. Donnells are fun and adventurous. I'd like to thank my good friend Chris Smith, founder of Family Brand, for helping us write our statement. Family Brand is an incredible resource for creating a strong family culture. If you want to learn more, go to familybrand.com. Most parents skip this step and just start giving their kids an allowance to spend. Since this is free money, they don't try money to create value in the home. I am a study conducted by Just Part Coalition. They found allowance was linking to a lack of motivation and an aversion to work. By the idea, some parents try to pay kids in allowance for weekly chores, which are often missed and conflict results. The kids end up getting paid anyway, another bad idea. Some parents say they never paid their kids at home for anything, chores or otherwise. Their kids are good kids who just get the work done that needs to be done around the house, and paying them creates the wrong incentives. This is also a mistake because kids will never have a chance to start making financial decisions at home before they leave the nest. How will they make good purchasing decisions with their own money if they don't have anything to spend? They'll have to learn those lessons after they leave your house, when the stakes are higher and the failures are way more expensive. What these parents don't realize is they end up paying for many things without letting the kids make those financial decisions. Parents buy toys, souvenirs, games, and clothes. They pay for social outings and trips, but no, they buy all the parents for the friend's birthday parties. Instead, they buy all the presents for their friends' birthday parties. Instead, kids could be earning money and paying for themselves. All this adds up to hundreds of dollars a month. You'd be surprised how quickly kids decide not to buy the new Nike Jordans if they have to use their own hard-earned money to pay for basketball shoes. In our family, we solve this problem with house rules. Your child's closest community is your family. Family can create a tremendous amount of material, emotional, and spiritual value. Everyone in the family should have a job to contribute to the family. This can be keeping the rooms clean and organized, excelling in school, and encourage other family members. With a value creation mindset as a foundation, children can learn to love being a strong contributing member of the family. The house rules journey is an automated component in the dinner table app. However, we encourage you to clarify the 3 E's. 1. Expectations. Clarify what you expect your kids to do in the home without pay. 2. Expenses. Listing the expenses that your kids are now in charge of paying for. 3. Extra pay. Creating home gigs. List ways that your kids can earn extra money at home to cover their spending list. We categorize this as action gigs and brains gigs.